Hey guys, RPM here. Hope you're doing well. Having a really great day. This video, okay, I just got in another Ice River KS7 Lite, but I want to do something fun in this video. I want to try solo mining on one and then pool mining on the other and see which one does better, I guess over a span of like, let's say 7 days. So I'm gonna show you guys the results over the past 7 days. And the reason for doing this comparison is because recently Kaspa has implemented the Crescendo hard fork, which is the 10 BPS, 10 blocks per second. So we are getting blocks a lot faster, and so I'm curious to know if there is going to be any difference between pool mining and then solo mining. In theory, there shouldn't really be any difference. Everyone's still competing for the same piece of the pie, but because, you know, Kaspa's so fast, we should at least be hitting some blocks. So I have two identical Ice River KS7 lights here. Thank you to 805mining.com for sending me this Ice River KS7 Lite. If you guys are interested in ASIC miners, they have over 20 years experience combined in ASIC reselling and also ASIC hosting as well if you're interested. They're an American company and they're also mindful regarding all the tariffs and stuff been happening recently. If you have any concern or maybe you see a price that's cheaper somewhere else, go email them, contact them, especially if you're looking for the best deals in ASIC hardware. All right, enough blabbing. I want to do this test over 7 days, so let me install these on my shelf and get them configured. Then I'll tell you guys my testing methodology here regarding these two Ice River KS7 lights, you know, 4.2 terahash at about 500 watts. So these models are the most efficient Kaspa mining models as of right now. Are they making a lot of money right now? Not really. I think profitability as of currently is under $2 a day, but I'll show you exactly how much we are going to solo mine over the next 7 days and also pool mine. And we're going to use the same mining pool as well. Okay, so let me get these all set up on my shelf. Be right back. Okay, we're both on. I haven't started mining yet to the addresses. I'm gonna do that with you guys live here. I just wanted to show you these are plugged in now. Okay, let's go with the computer. Okay, I'm using the Garda wallet. I got two different Kaspa wallets here, and I'm using an address for each of the KS7 lights. And also, I want to give away this Kaspa that I'll accumulate over the next, I guess, 7 days within this video. So just have to comment down below your guys' thoughts about Kaspa mining, either pool mining or solo mining. Which one do you guys like? Let me know down below which method you like the most. All right, so I'm using kaspa-pool.org. I'm using North America, PPLNS for the pool mining. And then for solo mining, this is the one I'm using, which is gonna be port 441. All right, so PPLNS is going to be port 4444. And now, okay, let's do this together. So I've already input the pool for both the KS7 lights, okay? Right, as you guys can see here, two different web GUIs for both KS7 lights. Also got the Kaspa address in here. So the pool mining one is going to be KS7 Lite 02, and then the solo mining one is going to be KS7 Lite 01 for the worker name, okay? All right, so I'm gonna hit save now. Okay, I can't do it both at the same time, so real quick save. That's going, and I'm gonna save the other one. Okay, so there you go. They're gonna start mining now. Operation succeeded on both. Okay, and let me close this one, close this one. Okay, so they should start mining now to the pools. Okay, it looks like it was mining to the whale pool, the stock pool before. So let me just make sure they're on Kaspa-pool. Okay, yep, they are both showing up on the pools. So you can see here, KS7 Lite 01. This is the solo mining one. And then the KS7 Lite 02 is going to be the pool mining one. I'm also curious, because I also just got my fiber internet in, so hopefully this will yield maybe better solo mining result. I don't know. We'll see in a second. I'll show you guys the 7-day results pretty much right after this. Okay, so all right, I'm gonna let this go for 7 days and I'll be back right after this and we'll see which one has done better. Be right back. Okay, so it's been about 10 days, not 7 days. I was busy over the past couple of days. I didn't have a chance to record this video. But now, okay, just to show you here, these are the two units that have been running over the past 9 days and 14 hours. Okay, not exactly 10 days, but almost there. Okay, you can see here pretty much the exact same time when I started them. They have never restarted or anything. All right, they've just been able to keep going here over the past 9-10 days here. So the result, which one has won? Is it the solo mining one, which is the KS7 Lite 01, or was it the pool mining one, KS7 Lite 02? Well, looking at the results here, the earnings total is over this past month, I guess. So you can see adds up in kaspa-pool.org. The solo mining one has earned 185.38 Kaspa, so about $15.90 as of recording. And then the pool mining one has earned 204.08 Kaspa, so $17.50. So looks like the pool mining one won over the past 10 days. I really thought my solo mining one would win ever since I got my fiber connection, but I guess not. So let's look at the payouts here. Okay, we can see also what my solo effort was on each of the days, all right, that we did here. Okay, and then for pool mining, it's pretty much close to 100%. Yeah, it says it's like 99.3% PPLNS effort. You can see here, pretty close, right? With PPLNS, you're sharing the piece of the pie with everyone else. But with solo mining, we are solo mining, and the chance of getting a block is pretty good, but it just depends on luck, essentially. All right, so the first day here, at 116.4% solo effort. All right, so that is like 16% less than pool mining. Then the next day was 89.7. All right, so a little bit better that day. And solo effort, the third day was 136, so not that great. Then solo effort on the fourth day was 34.2%, so I mined about 43.77 Kaspa in that day. That was, I think, almost probably double than what I would be earning than pool mining. But then the rest of the days, 117, 161, 133, 216%, 93.9%, and 86.5% as of recording. So in total, Kaspa-Pool averages my solo effort is about 103%. Okay. So yeah, there you go. There's the 10-day test. I should really do this like over a course of a year to actually see, you know, which one would fare better, because who knows, maybe in the next 10 days or 20 days, I could have a much better solo effort, right? And it really depends on luck. It's quite the variance that you cannot calculate. And, you know, some people have solo mining, you know, they're pretty lucky for solo mining, and some people are not, right? It's taking a gamble, essentially. And it looks like I got more payouts, 100 Kaspa payout for my pool mining one. I'm pretty close to a Kaspa payout on this solo mining one. So when I do give away the Kaspa, again, comment down below your guys' thoughts about pool mining or solo mining. Which one do you guys like better? I'll choose a winner, 2 winners after 24 hours when this video releases. So yeah, pretty fun little test here just to see, you know, yeah, so here's when I've gotten all the solo blocks. You can see the times when I got them, 5.15, and then with the aggressive emission schedule, the block reward has obviously gone down. Okay, as everyone knows, it goes down like what, 5 point something percent month over month. And Kaspa Network's hash rate actually has been dropping down. I don't know if it's in a sense, it's kind of like, I don't know, the yield has kind of been, maybe you can say it's getting better, but honestly, with the emission schedule, it's just gradually getting worse anyway. But yeah, it's actually insane to see that Kaspa Network hash rate has dropped down to 562 petahash. When, you know, at the peak, it was like 1.49 exahash. So there's been pretty much 1 exahash that has exited Kaspa mining. That blows my mind, actually. That's actually insane. I do have a KS5 Pro that's been solo mining a bit better than pool mining. It says 92% on average, my solo effort. So my KS5 Pro, it's been earning about $11 a day. All right, so definitely a little bit better than if I were to pool mine, and it is profitable. Okay, it is more than I'm spending on electric, so it's actually profitable currently. So I was actually expecting my KS7 Lite here to be better for pool mining, but I guess it's, you know, it's the variance of the luck, right? And it's not always going to play out like that. But again, it could be the next 10 days. I bet you anything that this could be better, right? Maybe not, maybe so, who knows? But anyways, yeah, guys, that's it. That's all I want to do. Just this fun little test. Let me know if you guys have been, you know, luckier to solo mine Kaspa recently or pool mine. Let me know. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks again to 805mining.com for the KS7 Lite. If you guys are interested in ASICs, go check them out. And yeah, let me know your guys' thoughts. Comment down below if you like solo mining or pool mining for this Kaspa. But yeah, we're going to give away the Kaspa on these 2 wallet addresses. Okay, so once I get 100, that other 100 payout coming off of this KS7 Lite 01, I will definitely give that away. Okay, so good luck. I'll see you all in the next one. Have a good one. Peace out. Peace out.